morning YouTube. I'm out here messing around with this one. I've got the lathe unbolted from the bench, flipped around, and sort of had a look at where I'm going to mount it, and I think I'm going to go for the bed casting here and here. It sort of comes down and then you've got a flat surface the same height. It's probably not a machine surface. No, it definitely isn't, but it's a relatively flat surface. I've got this is the DRO scale. You can see I've cut nigh on 350-400mm off it, which again was a completely stressful experience. So yeah, what this bit here is when I took it off the original lathe it was on, it had a backing, well, I think it's about 10x40, mild steel, bright, and I don't know if I'm going to put that back on. I may do, because it will basically act as a spacer. It acts as a solid plate to mount it to. Instead of having two fixings, I'll pick up on a third, but I don't know if I really need it. I haven't decided yet, so I'm going to offer it up, see what space I've got under the carriage, and see where we get to. Hopefully I can get this one on, because it's nowhere near as much work as the other one. Famous last words, but we'll see. So you can see I've decided to go for the fitting the bar first. This is just held on with a countersink at that end, countersink at this end, that is it. But it is nice and solid. And then there's 3 points of contact and bolt holes which hold the scale. And then you can see there's a couple of existing holes where it was bolted to the previous lathe. So I'll get the scale fitted, and then I've got to work out how I attach the scale to the carriage up here. And you can just about see these are my adjuster bolts that adjust the tension on the saddle strip. Right, scale is on. I've managed to use brackets that I had enough brackets left off of the other scales, so M5'd into the back of the saddle, bracket here which is joined there, and then this one is into the bottom of the one that comes off. So we are now all connected. I'm going to flip it around, connect up the DRO, see if it's free moving all the way along, and check it from there. Well, that is a DRO fitted. That second scale was a lot easier than doing that a cross slide, but yeah, DRO is now fitted. I just need to make a mount so I can get the reed head on. I am over the moon to actually have a proper DRO. Yeah, I guess guarding will be the next video. I've got a backsplash and some pulley guards to make.